With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello friend, here we have a question that is P is given to us and Q is given to us. Now we have to find the P by Q is equal to, right? So here my P value is equal to cos pi by 20 into cos 3 pi by 20 into cos 7 pi by 20 into cos 9 pi by 20. Right, now I can rewrite this term as cos pi by 20 into cos 3 pi by 20, and this cos 7 pi by 20 I can write it as cos pi by 2 minus 3 pi by 20 into cos pi by 2 minus 5 pi by 20, that is pi by 20 here. I can write my 9 pi by 20 as pi by 2 minus pi by 20. As we know, cos pi by 2 minus theta, that will be sin theta, right? So this term will become my cos pi by 20, and this become this become sin pi by 20. So I am writing here sin pi by 20 into cos 3 pi by 20 into sin 3 pi by 20, right? Now multiply here with 2 and here with 2 and divide by 4, because as we know that sin theta, 2 sin theta equal to sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2, right? Now this we can write it as this term, we will get this 2 into cos pi by 2 into sin cos pi by 20 into sin pi by 20, we will get cos pi by 10, sin pi by 10 here. This is the sin pi by 10, and here we will get sin 3 pi by 10 divided by 1 by 4. Now as we know that sin pi by 10, that is sin pi by 10 equal to sin 18 degree, and this is equal to root 5 minus 1 upon 4. Similarly, sin 3 pi by 10, this is equal to sin 54 degree, and sin 54 degree is value is root 5 plus 1 divided by 4. So we will put that value here, and we will get 1 by 4 into root 5 minus 1 into root 5 plus 1 divided by 4 into 4. This become a minus b into a plus b, that will come 5 minus 1, that is 4, and this 4 will cancel out with this 4, and we will get 1 by 16. So my p value is 1 by 16. Now let's find the value of q. Now q is given to us, that is cos pi by 11 cos 2 pi by 11 into cos 4 pi by 11 into cos 8 pi by 11 and into cos 16 pi by 11. Now as we know, when we have this term, this value we will get 1 by 2 to the power 5 sine 2 to the power 5 into pi by 11 divided by sine pi by. Now this is written as 1 by 2 to the power 5, that is 2 to the power 5. Here we have written that is sine 32 pi by 11 divided by sine pi by 11. Right? Now this term we can write 1 by 2 to the power 5, that is 32, and sine 32 pi by 11 we can write sine 3 pi minus pi by 11 divided by sine pi by 11. Right? Now sine 3 pi minus theta, that will be sine theta. Right? So this term and this term will cancel out. We will get q value is 1 by 32. Right? Now my p by q term, that is 1 by 16 into 1 by 32. This we got 2. So my p by q term equal to 2. Thank
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.